Hey there, future financial geniuses. Do you ever feel like you're stuck in the credit card dark ages? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to tell you why you need the Credit One secured card right now. But first, click the link in the description below to snag your discount. All right, so what's the deal with the Credit One secured card? Imagine this. You're at a party, and everyone's talking about their awesome rewards points and low interest rates. Suddenly, you realize you're holding a debit card, and it's as out of place as a cat at a dog show. The Credit One secured card is your ticket to joining the Cool Kids Club without breaking the bank. First off, let's chat about building credit. If your credit score is as empty as my fridge on a Sunday night, this card's got your back. It's designed to help you rebuild your credit from scratch. Think of it as a financial phoenix rising from the ashes of your past mistakes. Now here's the fun part. You get to control your credit line. That's right, you decide how much you want to put down as a security deposit, and that amount becomes your credit limit. It's like DIY credit crafting. Plus, Credit One reports to all three major credit bureaus, so every responsible payment helps boost your score. And guess what? You don't have to sacrifice perks. The Credit One secured card offers cashback rewards. That's right, you can earn cash back on everyday purchases like groceries, gas, and even your Netflix subscription. It's like getting paid to spend money. Who doesn't love that? Worried about fees? Don't be. The annual fee is super reasonable, and compared to the value you're getting, it's a no-brainer. Plus, if you play your cards right, pun totally intended, you might even get your security deposit back once you've built up your credit. So if you're ready to leap into the world of credit and start building a brighter financial future, the Credit One secured card is your best friend. Don't miss out on this game changer. Click the link in the description below to get your discount and start your credit building journey today. All right, folks, that's it for now. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time, happy credit building.